These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Welcome to 30 Trades in 30 Days Trading Challenge. The rules for this challenge is very simple. We take one trade per day. If we win that, we stop the session. If we lose that, we double the amount on the next trade. If you want to follow along with this challenge with me and see the real process of trading and ups and downs, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next parts. Now, let's have today's session. Welcome to today's trading session. I'll try to take my today's and the only trade for today as a doji break here. And this is also a doji. And we have order block down here. And right now we have gap down. I don't want to enter immediately because I only have one shot and I want to take my entry with a margin of safety. If it comes down enough, I'll take it. Otherwise, I cannot risk this because I don't have enough reasons to take this. I have a nice lower time frame entry. Oh shit, no, it's just going up. If I was taking it immediately after doji break, I would win this. But I have to look for safer entries. And if you look, the market has been doing this. So I wouldn't surprise if it goes higher. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for a good opportunity because I only have one trade per day or per session, as you know. I see a lot of opportunities, man, but sometimes I just cannot take them. Look, that was another good gap up. Oh shit, this is a good demand area. I hope it's not already touched. Oh, okay, that's right here. All right, if it comes down, I'll mark this. This is a demand. Okay, I entered. This is the demand area. It looks very good. The bad news is there's gap up. I didn't notice this gap up, man. Sorry for interruption. Finally, Grand competition is starting soon. This is an educational event. Everything is based on learning something. I recently recorded a 118-minute free educational content for the participants of this event. Absolutely free. And you can check the Telegram channel, first link in the description. Updates and announcements about this event will be there soon, and it will be started soon as well. So because it's free, the capacity is limited. You have to pay close attention to this one. Also, wanted to clarify that the first 10 people of the winners this event will also have a reward other than these educational content. And yeah, let's just keep going. That was crazy. Okay, that was a winning trade. All right, now let me just show you something. We have this price channel coming down, right? Now let me show you something. All right, now looks better. We have this price channel coming down, right? And it's more likely to bounce from this level. And apart from that, I found a demand that caused significant breakout. This is the root cause of this breakout. Also, this is a QM zone, right? So we have a demand causing breakout, which is a decision point. I have the QM and we have demand in lower time frame. If I go to 3 minutes, you have also see that there's engulf. But the main reason for me to take this trade was the decision point. Because for QM, the zone is outside the engulfing pattern. But still, if that's a weak reason, we can still use it as a confirmation. Now, if we go to lower time frame, we will see this red entry zone, right? So this is the entry zone in 10 seconds. Let me see if we have anything in 5 seconds. Yeah, we have better entry in 5 seconds. Alright, the bad news I was about to say that this demand is already tapped in on previous candle, as you can see. My mistake was I was in lower time frame and I didn't notice that this previous candle is already finished. And I entered in the next candle. I was in 15-second time frame. Oh, I was in 10-second. Yeah, I was waiting for price to come to this zone. And I considered this zone, right? And once it came down, I entered. And I didn't notice that the previous candle already tapped in. And we are on the new candle. But overall, this was a very good trade if taken on previous candle. Okay, this is a very good, there's some very good confluences on this trade. We explained all of them to you. Alright, we're done with this session. Make sure you join Telegram channel using the first link in the description. The trading event also will start soon. Thank you for watching and peace out.